When a death has occurred, recipients, please follow these steps to gain access to the deceased member's account. 1. Contact Speak from Beyond via email, phone, or text to let us know that a member has passed away. 2. Send Speak from Beyond any information or documentation via email or by mail that may help us confirm a member's death. 3. Let us know the name of the funeral home along with the city, state, and date that the death occurred. 4. If we are unable to confirm a death through various methods, we will need an official death certificate mailed to us. 5. Once Speak from Beyond completes the investigation to confirm a member's death, the trusted recipients chosen by the member will receive an email, text, or call with instructions on how to access the deceased member's profile and all of the saved files within the digital vault. 6. Speak from Beyond will store a member's files as long as the subscription is up to date. If a payment is not received within 30 days after non-payment, a member's profile will be deleted and cannot be restored. 7. If you are a recipient, we urge you to download all of the member's files to your trusted devices so you can access the files whenever you please. 8. If you need any further assistance, please contact a Speak from Beyond agent. Thank you.